Welcome to today's spooky Halloween DIY video. Today I'll be showing you 3 ideas for DIYs from the Dollar Tree, so let's jump into it. For this first DIY, you are going to need a spider candle holder from the Dollar Tree. The glass piece was yellow, but I poured some black acrylic paint into it, spun that little spider around so the paint spread evenly, tipped it upside down into a paper cup, and let the excess paint drip out of it. Once that process was all over, I tipped it back side up and let it dry. It was perfect and super easy. Next, I removed his little face. I thought it looked cheap and I wanted him to be a little bit spookier. So I took an orange sheet of vinyl that I had on hand and freehand cut his little face out. I'm sure you could find the piece of vinyl that I used at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, or you could even find some really cute stickers right now for the Halloween season. Totally up to you. But I stuck each piece on one at a time, just removed the backing and stuck it in place where I thought it would be super cute. I love the way this turned out. Everybody needs a little spider in their home for Halloween, don't you think? For this next DIY, we are going to be making a custom candy dish or custom dish that you can display cute things in for Halloween. You are going to need a little leaf dish from the Dollar Tree. This one came as a really pretty red color, but it didn't really match my whole fall Halloween decor. So I took the cheapest white spray paint from Walmart for $1 and spray painted it. It worked really well. You could leave it the color it came or spray paint it whatever color you wanted. And then I'm going to take my custom sticker I made on my silhouette. It says trick or treat. You could freehand this with the little alphabet stickers from the scrapbook section from your local craft store or Walmart. You could use whatever word you wanted, it's totally up to you. Or you could find other festive stickers for the holiday season and stick them on as well. It's what you want to do, it's custom, I love it. I did take the paper backing off my stickers, stuck it into this tray, pressed it really hard with the transfer tape that's on top, and I'm going really slow so it sticks really well. This would be cute with candy in it, displayed on a table, or you could put little pumpkins or the little spider rings. It's totally up to you. And once you have your word on your tray, it is finished. I love this DIY. I think it's perfect for this time of year. This DIY is inspired by something I saw at TJ Maxx and Marshall's a few weeks ago, and they wanted $10 for this really cute candle. I thought, heck no, you're crazy. I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and make that for a few dollars. You will need a candle with a lid. You could make your own candle if you wanted in your own mason jar. You'll need glue, a sticker, a cute embellishment, and some scissors. I created my pumpkin sticker on my silhouette, but I know you could find something for the festive holiday season at your local craft store and use that instead. I tapped the sticker on so it didn't bubble, it just went on nice and smooth. I found the cute pumpkin stick at the Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of 10. You could use whatever you could find also. I cut the stick off, glued the pumpkin to the top, and it's as easy as that. For a few simple dollars, you have a darling candle that you paid about $2 to $3 for instead of 10, and it will look so cute on your counter this holiday and festive fall season. And that's it. Those are the few DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you taking the time. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.